How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here, and today I got the minivan again, but not because my car is broken, just because I want to do kind of like a fun video. In this video, I wanted to see, can the minivan actually really do a burnout? As always, before we get started, just make sure you leave a like and comment and subscribe to this channel for more. It's very appreciated, and I'll love you lots. But as always, let's get into the video. So the minivan behind me has a 3.8 liter V6 engine. If anything lower, because that's like one of the top tier like packages and trims. If there's anything lower, it would have been a 3.3 liter V6. Still V6, but a lot less liters, a lot less horsepower. This one puts out 210 horsepower, which, again, for a minivan front wheel drive, it's pretty fast for what it is, I'm not gonna lie. But since it is front wheel drive, when you're able to floor it, the car's not gonna go back and get you much pickup. It's front wheel, so you're just gonna kind of drag the minivan with you. Before we get started, let's look under the hood, just so you guys get a look at what it looks like. Well, here she is, 3.8 liter V6, in its all glory. So I'm even surprised that the minivan even sounds like that alone, which is kind of weird, because when I rev it, it sounds better than my car being revved. All right, so without further ado, let's see if this thing can actually do a burnout. I'd say it does a little bit. There's no marks left behind. You may say, oh, what's that right there? But I just checked it out, and it's just mostly liquid from the air conditioner that's leaking, well, the condensation from it. All right, guys, in conclusion, I would like to say that it does do a little burnout. If you were to get one of these, put a little turbo in it or whatever, there you go. Thing will do burnouts for days. All right, guys, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's something we'll have fun with you guys with. So if you want a minivan, do a burnout with it. Best thing you can do. You'd be like the super dad or the super mom. But all right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.